Hello boys and girls, and welcome to your third math lesson of the week. Follow along with the activities in this video. Let's get started. Let's start by counting. Today we're going to count all the way from 1 to 20. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Pause the video and have a go by yourself. To do this next activity, you will need your digit cards, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Pause the video whilst you get them ready. I am going to show you the side of a dice. The first thing you need to do is find that number on your digit cards. The next thing you need to do is to find one more than that number and one less than that number on your digit cards. Are you ready? Pause the video if you need a bit more time. What is this number? Find it on your digit cards. Can you find one more than this number? Can you find one less than this number? The number was 5. One more than 5 is 6. One less than 5 is 4. What is this number? Can you find it on your digit cards? Find one more than this number and then find one less than this number. Are you ready? The number was 2. One more than 2 is 3. One less than 2 is 1. Did you get it right? Let's move on to the next one. What is this number? Find it on your digit cards. Then find one more than this number and then find one less than this number. Are you ready? The number was 3. One more than 3 is 4. One less than 3 is 2. What number is this? Find it on your digit cards. Now find one more than this number and then find one less than this number. Are you ready? Pause it if you need more time. The number was 4. One more than 4 is 5. One less than 4 is 3. Are you ready to move on now, boys and girls? Let's do some exploration. What can you see? And how can you see it? Have a look carefully at this picture. I can see a very cheeky monkey, and I can see some bananas. I can see 2 bunches of bananas. Each bunch has got 3 bananas in it. Altogether, I can see 6 bananas. 3 add 3 equals 6. What else can you see? 6 bananas first, and then there was one more. How many bananas do I have in total now? I can still see 2 bunches with 3 bananas in each, and I can see one more. Altogether, I can see 7 bananas. 7. Across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way to make a 7. Make it in the air using your finger. Say the rhyme as you do it. Across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way to make a 7. Here are lots of different ways to show 7. What can you see? Pause the video while you take a closer look. I can see someone holding up 7 fingers. Can you hold up 7 fingers? I can see a number line with dots underneath to show how many. Those dots look a bit like the dots on my dice. I can see a tally chart with 7 lines on it, and a circle with 7 dots inside. I can see a 10 frame with 7 counters on it. There are 5 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Quick as you can you spot number 7? There's 2 hiding on this picture. Did you find them? To do this next activity, you will need your tens frame and your digit cards, numbers 1 through to 7. You're also going to need some counting objects, such as some counters or some dried pasta or stones. What you need to do now is put your digit cards in order from 1 to 7. Once you've done that, can you make 7 using your tens frame? I've made 7 2 different ways on my tens frame. The first way has 5 on the top and 2 at the bottom. This shows me that 7 is made up of 5 and 2. 5 add 2 makes 7. The bottom one shows me that I have made 7 using pairs. I couldn't finish my last pair. I've got 3 pairs of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1 on its own. This shows me that 7 is an odd number. What you need to do now is take your digit cards, turn them over so you can't see the number. What you now need to do is then flip one over. Can you make that number on your tens frame using some counting objects? You could use the counters in your pack, or you could use some other small objects, such as dried pasta or some small stones. Off you go, have fun!